If y'all look at my engine bay, it's kind of dull, kind of dirty, all black. See if I can zoom in a little more. So if y'all look right there by the fan shroud, it's a radiator support that go there, and it's black. I just ordered a chrome one and it was like $29 after tax. So that should be coming in within the next couple days. I'm gonna make a video on that and show y'all all the chrome pieces we done got. Y'all already know, I showed y'all this already. We went ahead and got an Edelbrock air cleaner Pro Flow, and it's an open one. Y'all know my original one, like I showed y'all before, it is closed off with the air filter inside, you know what I'm saying? So went ahead and got this Edelbrock one, and y'all see it, valve covers. Yeah man, brand new chrome valve covers for the Cutlass. And like I said, I'm so excited to put this stuff under the hood. It's gonna really dress that hood up, make it look a lot better, you know. And then y'all know we got the brand new air filter with the caps and stuff to go on top, the Edelbrock, and that just gives it, you know what I'm saying, just put the brand on it, you know. What's up guys, it's your boy Deuce back with another video. Now if y'all checked out, I think it was 2 videos ago, if y'all watched that video, like I said, I think it was 2 videos ago, where we unboxed this box that I told y'all that I'm trying to do, like have a lot of chrome under the hood of that car, basically to have like a reflection, you know what I'm saying? So when you look at the engine bay, you kind of see yourself in the engine bay, you know what I'm saying? Like give some type of reflection and to make it look a little cleaner under the hood of that Cutlass. So I bit the bullet and went ahead and cashed out on some chrome valve covers. So yeah, I'm excited to install this stuff, you know what I'm saying? Like I told you, I was gonna wait a little bit longer to actually get these until I got the car back, but I got it for a good deal. I got them from, not Advance, but I got them from AutoZone, you know what I'm saying? So found them online and couldn't really beat the price. So went ahead and got brand new valve covers, chrome, and we're gonna unbox them in this video, you know what I'm saying? I've already looked at them because I need to make sure they was the right part that I ordered online, you know what I'm saying? So what I did, went on AutoZone site, typed in my car, 1987 Oldsmobile Cutlass Oem 50 V8. These popped up, so I went ahead and copped them, you know what I'm saying? I think they're Mr. Gaskets. I think that's the name of these, Mr. Gasket chrome valve covers, you know what I'm saying? So this is one step closer. I went ahead and ordered some chrome, well, a chrome radiator support, so it's gonna replace the black one that's under that hood. Now let me see if I can pull up the picture real quick. Where's my phone? 1 second y'all, be patient, be patient, be patient, be patient. I gotta find it. Where's that picture? I think I got just one picture of my engine bay, so let me see, where is it at? Here we go. So if y'all look at my engine bay, it's kind of dull, kind of dirty, all black. See if I can zoom in a little more. So if y'all look right there by the fan shroud, it's a radiator support that go there, and it's black. I just ordered a chrome one and it was like $29 after tax. So that should be coming in within the next couple days. I'm gonna make a video on that and show y'all all the chrome pieces we done got. And I want to change the reservoirs. I'm gonna get some my boy Chevy Addict, shout out to Chevy Addict, he sent me these reservoirs that I can basically replace mine with, but they're black. So I'm contemplating about getting either them or trying to find some chrome ones. But yeah, I really want some chrome ones, but I'm most likely just gonna get them black ones. They was only $20, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get them, and I'll be able to hide it, you know what I'm saying? Put it, he was telling me, put it on the firewall. So you feel me, I'm most likely gonna be doing that, trying to hide everything, hide these reservoirs and everything. Let me see if I got one more picture. I think I got one more picture of my Cutlass engine bay. Let me see if I can find it. 1 second y'all, be patient with me. And so I think I got one more picture, if I didn't delete it, and knowing me, I already deleted it. Yep, it's gone. No, it ain't. Well, y'all can't even see it. But yeah, this the picture I was talking about. So y'all know that air filter, that air cleaner right there. I already bought a brand new one, and it's Elderbrock. So yeah, y'all just gotta stay tuned for everything, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm so excited to get this stuff installed, right? So excited to get this stuff on the car and actually just see the engine bay looking really good. You know what I'm saying? So the only thing I got to get now is some gaskets, but like I said, I'm gonna wait till closer when the car come back to go ahead and get them gaskets. I'm not in a rush to get the gaskets. Shouldn't have been in a rush to get these valve covers, but like I told y'all, man, I like to keep content flowing for y'all, so I didn't want to really take no break. So I went ahead and just bit the bullet, ordered them. I think that was about $90 for both of them, which is actually pretty good. You know what I'm saying? All the other places I was looking at, they was $250 and up. So $90 for these valve covers. I'm gonna have to get a thing to go in the valve cover. Forgot what it's called, but I know what it is. You feel me? I already got them ready to order. AutoZone got them for like $15 a piece, so I'm gonna get some of them. It's like a small little air filter. I'm gonna get one of them, and I'm gonna get a cap to put on the other one. So yeah, man, like I said, we're gonna get out. I'm gonna show y'all this. I'm starting to sweat, which I should have just turned my AC on. Wasn't thinking, but I'm already into this. So like I said, we're gonna get out. I'm gonna unbox this one. I'm gonna have this one out, and basically we're gonna not even try to mock it up, but I'm gonna show you how everything gonna look, you know what I'm saying, with my vision. So y'all just stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way. I'll be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this video. Let's keep growing and elevating together, and I'll catch y'all once I get outside the car with these boxes out. All right, y'all, so outside of the car now with all the boxes out. So y'all already know, I showed y'all this already. We went ahead and got an Elderbrock air cleaner Pro Flow, and it's an open one. Y'all know my original one, like I showed y'all before, it is closed off with the air filter inside, you know what I'm saying? So went ahead and got this Elderbrock one, and y'all see it, valve covers. Like I said, the only thing I gotta get is gaskets, but went ahead and got some Mr. Gasket valve covers, chrome plated, heavy gauge steel. Both of them big old boxes, you know what I'm saying? For these, bro. The wind is starting to blow hard. Let's see if I can get something. Sit that there. Stay down. So, yeah, man. Y'all know we got the chrome air cleaner, and now we got chrome valve covers. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. And like I said, I've already unwrapped it. Y'all can tell. Cause I wanted to look at it. Bro, look at that. Y'all can see perfectly, bro. Man, dog, this is gonna be so hard. I'm telling y'all, this is gonna be so hard. So we're gonna have one valve cover. What is this? Some valve covers do not have valve for oil holes due to clearance problems. Okay, we'll figure all that out later. Yeah, man, we got us some chrome valve covers for the Cutlass. Like I said, man, since the box Chevy getting a whole new motor, why not dress up the Cutlass motor? You know what I'm saying? Why not dress it on up, make it look good? So, and before I order another one of these, I'm gonna go and test this one out and go and see how it's gonna fit on the box Chevy's new 350 that's going in. Make sure everything fit well. You know what I'm saying? So before, like I said, before I order one, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go and test that one out in the back. Ooh wee, bro. I'm glad the wind is blowing, but I don't like blowing my stuff all the way, all around and stuff like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this one out as well. So we'll try and sit y'all up. I'm gonna pour this one out as well, just so we can get an idea of how it's gonna look under that hood. You know what I'm saying? I'll pour this one out the plastic. It'll be alright. Bro, y'all cannot tell me this is not gonna be hard, bro. Look at all that chrome. And then like I said, I got a radiator bracket that's gonna go here. So basically it's gonna be like this whole little section, bro. It's gonna look so hard. The motor already is black. I definitely want to clean it up a little bit. Like I told y'all before, I don't trust myself spraying. What did I order from Auto? Oh, the valve covers. So like I said, I don't trust my excuse me. I don't trust myself at all to spray water under. Oh man, I don't trust myself at all to spray water under the hood of that car. You feel me? I don't trust myself doing that at all. But this is definitely gonna clean it up. And like I said, I gotta get a gasket for this, for these valve covers, which shouldn't be no more than like $25. And like I said, I'm gonna get it when it's closer to time. And I'm gonna have to get one of them little filter things that go here to close it off. I'm gonna probably get one filter, one blue filter, because they got blue and red. I think they got a black one too. But I'm gonna get one of them small little blue ones that go here. And I'm gonna just get it like a chrome little cap to go on top of this one, or vice versa, whichever way I want to do it. The filter here and then the cap there, however I want to do it. Like I said, we're gonna figure it out when the time comes. Oh, it look like it's scratched. Y'all see it? It'll be all right, you know what I'm saying? It ain't like it's gonna stay perfect anyway, you feel me? It's a motor and it's gonna get oily and all that type of stuff, you know? So yeah, man, brand new chrome valve covers for the Cutlass. And like I said, I'm so excited to put this stuff under the hood. It's gonna really dress that hood up, make it look a lot better, you know? And then y'all know we got the brand new air filter with the caps and stuff to go on top, the Elderbrock. And that just gives it, you know what I'm saying, just put the brand on it, you know? And Mr. Gasket, I mean, I kind of wish I could have found like all one brand. I think they sell Mr. Gasket air cleaners, I don't know for sure, but I like Elderbrock, and Elderbrock is something I grew up always hearing, you know what I'm saying? Elderbrock carburetors, Elderbrock air cleaners, you know? I've heard Elderbrock a lot when I was growing up, so why not throw Elderbrock on the Cutlass original motor and dress it up with some chrome. Like I said, we're gonna have that radiator bracket and this chrome, and like I said, I ordered it. It was like $29 after tax, so it should be in within the next couple days. I'm gonna make another video with everything, you know what I'm saying? The radiator bracket, the valve covers, and the Elderbrock, you know what I'm saying? My phone is getting blown up, bro. Goodness. I gotta get me a new phone case too. My phone case is ripping. But yeah, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments down below. Let me know what y'all think about all this chrome that's gonna be going on in the car. I like I said, man, I'm excited to put this on there, dress up the motor a little bit. That way I pop my hood and stuff just start shining at you. You feel me? And I'm gonna change out them reservoirs. You know, I'm just trying to really clean up under the hood. You know, the whole car is gonna be nice, so why not make under the hood nice as well? You feel me? The trunk gonna be nice. I'm gonna have some nice subwoofers in there. Y'all know the subwoofers that's in there now, it's gonna be temporary, because I really want to get some scars and put some Scar 15s in the trunk of there, like I want to do in this one. I want to put Scar 15s in the trunk of my box Chevy as well. So I'm gonna dress up my trunk. Y'all know the whole interior of that car getting done. The interior of this car I don't really want to do too crazy, but the Cutlass is really gonna be like my show car, you know, my show car. I want to get a custom set of wheels for it. You feel me? A lot of this stuff I'm trying to do is, it's gonna be a lot of money being spent. But one of the main things I will really like about that car is leaving that motor original. Sound like some glass just broke. But I really want to leave that Cutlass motor original, but just dress it up a little bit, you know? Just make it look good. You feel me? And I can pop the hood, people be like, what you got in here? Oh, it's nothing, just the original 5.0 V8 that came with this car. The original motor for this car, you know what I'm saying? Just have it like, yeah, that's one thing I just really want to do. So y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments, what y'all think about the valve covers in the comments down below. The trash, people is picking up trash, so I need to hurry up this. So yeah, I'm getting a lot of fingerprints on it, but it's gonna all get cleaned back up after we throw it in the car. You feel me? I'm gonna wipe everything back down with some shine, some glass cleaner and stuff. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Y'all stay tuned, and I hope y'all like it. You feel me? So yeah, man, I will catch y'all in 1 second for the outro. Gotta put all this back up. Like I said, I'm gonna go test this on that carburetor that's on the box Chevy's built motor. I'm gonna go test this out, and if it fit well, I'm gonna go ahead and order another one of these. It's only like $45 after tax and shipping. Well, shipping was free after tax, so I'm gonna go ahead and order another one of them for the box Chevy's new motor. And yeah, we're just gonna keep rocking out like that, you feel me? So y'all stay tuned, and I'll catch y'all in a second for the outro. All right, y'all, got everything back loaded up. It's not gonna stay loaded up like this for long. I'm gonna end up putting it somewhere. I honestly don't know yet, but I just went and tested the bottom part of the filter that I got. Y'all know the Pro air cleaner, the Elderbrock one, you feel me? The one that's in this big box. I just went and tested it on the box Chevy's built motor, and it fit perfectly, you know what I'm saying? So I'm finna go ahead and order another one of them, so I have that ready. And you feel me, whenever we get the motor put in, we'll have that bigger one going on instead of keeping that small one that's already on my 350 that's in the box Chevy right now, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna rock out with that big one, and we're gonna put it on that built motor whenever we get the motor installed, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, y'all leave y'all opinions in the comments down below though. I am so excited to get this stuff installed on that Cutlass. Y'all know I'm gonna do it myself, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing but changing valve covers. It's just a few bolts, and then I gotta get some gaskets, and I gotta get some of the I got it in my phone. I keep losing my track of mind, bro, but I gotta get some of that ultra black, you know what I'm saying? I don't know why I keep losing my mind, bro. I'm losing my train of thought. But yeah, I gotta get some of the ultra black silicone so we could put on the valve covers with the gaskets, you know what I'm saying? So y'all just stay tuned for that. Like I said, we're gonna do all of that whenever the car come back. And I left my key. Yep, can't turn my AC on, left my key outside. So yeah, I'm starting to sweat, so I need to hurry up and finish this. So like I said, man, hope y'all like the valve covers. Like I told you, I'm trying to dress up the engine bay as much as possible, do as much as possible, you know what I'm saying? And I'm most likely gonna get rid of some of them reservoirs, even though I want to try to keep it as original as possible while dressing it up a little bit. I'm most likely gonna go ahead and get rid of them not valve covers, but them reservoirs. And I'm most likely gonna keep some of them parts from the engine, you feel me, like the valve covers and the air filter, the air cleaner, the whole air duct. I'm most likely gonna keep that stuff just in case I ever want to go back to all original, you feel me? Everything original. But it's just some of that stuff is like faded and super dirty, and y'all know I clean the engine bay as much as possible. Some of that stuff would not come off, so that was another reason why I wanted to change it. And I'm looking at trying to find some chrome headers for the original motor, and as of right now I haven't seen none. I mean, I think I seen one that was like $350. I'm not paying $350 right now. I can wait on some headers, but I definitely want to get some chrome headers. That way it'll dress the engine up even more, because the headers that's on there now are rusted. So I definitely want to get some chrome headers and put on there as well. But yeah, we're gonna figure all that out when time comes, in due time, you know what I'm saying? As of right now, I'm just taking it one day at a time. So hope y'all enjoyed this video though. Make sure y'all hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, turn that post notification bell all the way. Y'all be notified every time I drop. Share the channel, share this videos, keep growing and elevating together. I love y'all, I appreciate y'all. Keep God first and God bless, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Peace.